Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Toyota Supra MK5. Begin by sketching a basic rectangular prism to define the car's main body. Next, add guidelines for the wheels and windshield, ensuring they align with the car's overall length and width. Remember to keep your initial lines very light, as these will be refined later. This foundational step is crucial for achieving accurate proportions and a balanced final drawing. Now, let's refine the Supra's iconic body lines. Gently curve the top and sides of your initial box to create the sleek profile. Focus on the aggressive front fascia, sketching the large grille and the sharp, angular headlights. Don't forget the distinctive side air intakes and the integrated ducktail spoiler at the rear. These details truly capture the Supra's sporty essence. Moving on, let's add the wheels and windows. Draw perfect circles for the wheels, then add the tire thickness and rim details. Carefully outline the windshield and side windows, reflecting the Supra's compact cabin design. You can also add a few subtle lines inside to suggest the dashboard and seats, giving your drawing more depth. Precision here makes a big difference. For the final touches, carefully erase all your initial guidelines, leaving only the refined drawing. Now, it's time for shading. Use varying pressure to create shadows under the car, within the wheel wells, and along the body creases. This adds realism and makes your Supra pop off the page. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Your support helps us create more content like this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.